Hey guys, what's up? My name is Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the Kiss Falscara. It is a new, it's empty because I used it. It is a new drugstore kit from the brand Kiss called Falscara, the new way to lash. It is a kit and I'm gonna show you actually like false. Can people stop revving their engines? It is a kit that comes with false lashes, a bond and a seal, and an applicator. Okay, so I'll show you guys more in the next clip what those things look like in detail. But essentially, this kit is meant to, I'm going to read the claims for you guys. It says no damage, no smudges, no strips, no mistakes, no clumps. When mascara just isn't enough, you love the look of lash extensions, but you don't want to deal with strip lashes. That's me. It comes with wispies, bond, seal, and an applicator. Okay, so that's the back. That's the packaging. I'm going to show you guys how I applied this, what I thought of it, and how long it lasted. So if you guys want to see how I applied these lashes and what I really think of them, then just keep watching. I brought you guys closer so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Again, I apologize if you see me looking over here because that's where my viewfinder is for my camera for my phone. It's not right in front of me and I can't have it right in front of me because it's on my laptop. These are the lashes and they come on this right here, and personally it's cheap plastic. I expected this to be a little bit better quality because you are putting your lashes on and off of this, and this is where you keep them. You keep them on this when they're not in use. So to me that's a little bit cheap quality, but it wasn't a super cheap kit either. It was 20 bucks at the drugstore. But anyways, let's get started. So I'm gonna use a handheld mirror right here. And it says the first thing to apply is the bond. So I'm going to apply the bond. So it comes on a curved brush like that. And then, so I'm just gonna like put my hair behind my ear. This is good and you can see. So it's kind of like not really going through my lashes really well. But, okay. I think I need a little bit more. These lashes seem like stuck together for whatever reason, and I didn't even put anything on them. So what I'm gonna do is just use my tweezer to just separate them. I know people are gonna cringe that I have this super sharp tweezer near my eyes, but I'm so used to it. Okay, so just getting a little bit more right out here. Okay, it kind of feels like, it smells like glue. I have a feeling it might be glue. I'm gonna take just, it came in the package like this. It looks like they're all pretty much a similar length, so I'm just gonna take this first one right here. How do I get it out? So I'm just gonna pull it out with my hand, and then, oh, I dropped it. I have it on tweezer like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and get up under the lash like that. Okay. And then it says to like kind of like squeeze it together with your natural lash. So I feel like with this, okay, you have to be like, I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. I feel like with this you have to be super comfortable with it getting really close to your eye, but I don't really like how that looks. I feel like you can see it, so I'm gonna take it off and like try and reapply it and see how that works, because I don't like how it looks. And me personally, this tweezer is kind of really thick and I can't really grasp the lash like I would like to, so I'm gonna pull this off. Okay, and I'm gonna reapply it. I'm gonna try and get a bit closer to my natural lash line because I feel like I did not get up in there. So it's kind of hard because I'm holding the mirror. I think it would be much easier if you have a mirror that you're not holding, where like you're able to just lift your eye up and put it under there. Because I did make a video about how I apply my eyelashes underneath my eyes like this, not through Kiss. This is not sticking. Okay, maybe I need more bond, so I'm gonna put a little bit more bond on right there. So trying again, hopefully you guys can see. What the f? Yeah, stick, bitch. Okay. Okay, I think that's much better, and I also think it looks better. All right, so I'm gonna continue applying these, and I'm only gonna bore you guys with one eye. I'm not gonna show you applying both eyes because that's gonna take me forever, because this is not super easy. So it looks like the lashes come in like a little bit different lengths, so I'm gonna take what I think is the second longest and apply that next to this. Hopefully the bond is still wet and like it just sticks. Oh yeah, it did. Nice. And I'm pressing that in. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing, but like I'm gonna get really close and I'm gonna let you look like under my eye. But like it doesn't look like this. It looks natural-ish. But like from like, if you look up close, you could tell like I have lashes under there. Oh, look what happened. As I was pulling it out, like some of the lash broke off. Oof. I wish these were curved a little bit more. They're very, very straight lashes. And I wish they were curved. Like they're not curved at all. They're really straight. So let's try the next one. Yeah, like they need to be like curled. They're very, very straight. Not my cup of tea for them to be so straight, but they don't look bad. I think all I'm gonna need to do is apply just one more, and I'm gonna apply the one that looks a little bit thinner at the like width of it. Okay, so the inner corner one, that one's like really long for whatever reason. Oh, you're supposed to apply the seal, so I'm gonna do that now. I don't really like how it looks, but I'm gonna apply the seal, which I don't think is doing anything because they look like they're just kind of hanging on there, like barely hanging on there. So this is how it looks. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and I'm gonna apply this eye without having to like hold a handheld mirror, and I'm gonna pull up my eye and get the lashes under there and see if I could get a better application. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one off camera, and then hopefully it comes out better, because right now I'm not really liking how it looks. And it feels kind of weird, to be quite honest. So let me go apply that other one off camera, and then I will give you my final thoughts. So I went ahead and put the other side on off camera, and it was so much easier to apply without having to hold a mirror in my hands. So I'm gonna get up close for you guys and show you guys what it looks like. So straight on, I think they look really cool. They look very wispy, and you can't tell that I have false lashes on. If I look up, you definitely can. So I'm gonna look up for you guys and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna pull my lashes up, and this is gonna look kind of weird, but I think you're able to see what I'm talking about now. That like you can see right up under them. Now I'm gonna look down for you guys. I think they look pretty natural. It definitely was so much easier to apply them without having to hold a mirror. So again, I did that for the purpose of the video so you guys can see how I applied them and how I failed at applying them. But when I hopped off camera and I applied this eye, it took me maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, honestly, like 5 minutes at most, to put them on off camera. I put the bond and then I stuck them on there, and they stuck on there really easily. I was able to hold my eye up and kind of get them right up under the lash line, and that was honestly so much better. They are pretty comfortable. I feel them a little bit, but not too much. What I do wonder though is how long these stay on for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear them for the rest of the day, and I'm just gonna put in the video somewhere, probably right here. Like I said, they feel pretty natural, they look pretty natural, and I think for the price that I paid about $11-12 for them, because I had a $3 coupon. They were originally $18 and I had a $3 coupon. That makes it $15, and then I had a $4, you get $4 back right now if you buy them at CVS. I don't know if it's every CVS, but at my local CVS, you got $4 back, so that came out to 15, and then 15 minus 4 is 11. So I paid about 11-12 bucks with tax. So for me, I think that they were definitely worth the price. I don't think that they are like amazing quality, like they don't feel super natural, but I think they look pretty good, and they look like lash extensions. So honestly, like I feel like if you go out, people might say, oh my gosh, like who does your lashes? Like I definitely feel like you could get that kind of compliment from these. These are supposed to be Lashify dupes, and I don't own the Lashify ones, but from the reviews I've heard, the Lashify ones are very soft and natural feeling. That's why they're so much more money. But for me personally, I think that this does the job. I personally like to wear my lashes like this anyways. I am not a fan of strip lashes. They just don't work for me. They feel weird on my eyes. I have a previous lash extension video that I filmed where I cut up my own strip lashes and kind of did a similar technique. I put lash glue on them and then stuck them up right underneath my natural lashes, and that was really, really nice. I do like to wear my lashes like that as it is, so that worked out for me too. So this was very nice, and that's why I honestly wanted to give it a try. So the lashes are separated, and so like I said, if you're like me and you're not a fan of strip lashes, I'd say give this one a try. It's probably going to be more comfortable for you, because like I said, I always cut up my strip lashes and I either apply them underneath like this or I apply them on top, whichever is more comfortable for you, on top or underneath. These are meant to go underneath, but you can check out my other lash extension video. I do a very similar technique, but also, like I said, you can cut up regular strip lashes, put regular glue on them, and apply them on top, and it's going to give you kind of a similar effect. These is a little bit more seamless. You don't see the lash band like at all, unless you look up, which you guys saw. But other than that, they're pretty comfortable. I think they look really nice, and you know, those are my final thoughts on this. I definitely think that it's worth a try if you like lash extensions or you like false lashes. I think it's worth a try, especially, you know, if you're going to be doing them at home. I don't think these are going to last anywhere near as long as eyelash extensions, but I do think that these will probably last you, you know, throughout the day. Maybe if you go out to a party, you know, they'll probably last. But I think that overall they are, I'd say, worth the money. I think that they could be a little bit better quality on the actual lashes themselves, but other than that, I think it's a pretty good product. It was rather easy to apply, and if you give it a few tries, I'm sure you'll get it. If it's not easy at first, you can definitely, like, it's definitely like a learning curve, and you can work with it. So those are my final thoughts on the Kiss Falscara. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to see more reviews like this, or drugstore reviews, or anything from Sephora, Ulta, let me know. I'd be more than happy to review a product that you would like to see. Let me know in the comments what those products are. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.